In this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily unmute notes. Open up the Instagram. Tap on the messages icon. First I will mute someone's notes. To do that, simply tap and hold the note. I'm going to select mute notes. And now that note has been muted, and I will show you how to unmute notes. Go back to the Instagram homepage, tap on your profile picture icon. And then tap on these three lines. Then select Settings. Tap Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and select Muted Accounts. Here it will show you all of the people you've muted. Now select the person you want to unmute. And then tap on the following button. And then select Mute. And then simply toggle off notes. And now you have successfully unmuted that person's notes.